This is the Mijia phone gimbal that released a couple of days ago, sells at $115 on Gimbal, and this is Zhiyun Smooth 4. The price is a little bit higher. In my opinion, they are probably the best two budget phone gimbals on earth. So, which one should you choose? Let's take a closer look. Both packages come with a manual, a USB cable, and the gimbal itself, but the Smooth 4 has an extra small tripod. That came is handy because whether you want to adjust the balance of your phone or shoot in some modes like motion time-lapse, you really need it. Thumbs up for Zhiyun, and with the foam design, which is environmentally friendly choice, I would vote for Zhiyun in this round. I really like the design of Xiaomi. It has a smooth, sophisticated look, like the big wheel here on Zhiyun Smooth 4. Xiaomi just simplified that with a small red key here for you to zoom in or out. How smart is that? So you don't have to carry a bulky and weird looking thing around all day. The two keys here on the Smooth 4, actually one key can solve the problem here. Another thing I have to mention is the moment I opened the box of Mijia phone gimbal, many of my female colleagues goes like, wow, and trying to steal it. Keep away. But for the Zhiyun, more or less, is partial to males. For Xiaomi, minimalistic and elegant design without compromising too much functionality. This round definitely goes to Xiaomi. About the app, here I'm not going through every details about the apps. For that, I've already put the video links in the description and you can check it out. The first impression of the apps, I gotta say the Bluetooth connection on the Smooth 4 is so fast. While on the Mijia it takes some time and it is difficult to connect. You have to reboot the phone or the gimbal when such issue occurs. As for the interface, the Mijia is less complicated and feels more intuitive. Give it a couple of minutes, you will know everything about it. As for the Smooth 4, it takes a bit more time to figure out since it has more settings, but that's not a deal breaker either. I guess for both apps, they are not perfect. The Smooth 4 has this resolution issue. I cannot support 4K recording on some Android phones. The motion time-lapse doesn't work either. For the Mijia app on Android, it has less features like the Hitchcock and slow motion. Also, it currently only supports Chinese, but the good news is Fimi team told me that they will update all of those very soon. Of course, this I refer are not devastating problems. They are software issues, just need some time to fix. So in this one, I call it draw, but I personally like Mijia a little bit more. I really like the way on Smooth 4. Basically, you don't need to touch on the screen for interaction. The gimbal takes nearly all the gestures. Whether you want to view the files you just took or change the settings, it's super convenient. Where on the Mijia, most of the time you have to touch the screen, especially when you view the footage and have to tap to get back to shot. That's not really user-friendly as sometimes my hands are wet or dirty and I don't want to do that. I hope Xiaomi will learn from Zhiyun and adopt the features very soon. Go to Smooth 4 this time. I will just put the comparison footage here. From the footage, we barely see the difference. Both can handle pretty well in different situations like sports or static shots. But as you know, the Smooth 4 supports up to 500 grams of weight and Mijia only supports for 200 grams. That means Zhiyun has a more powerful motor and makes it more responsive in nature. For the shooting mode, the Smooth 4 has a panorama mode where Mijia has a unique Hitchcock mode and 360-degree smart tracking feature. That's something really cool. Overall, I will say Zhiyun Smooth 4 performs better because of the more powerful motor. But you gotta know, the Mijia gimbal can rotate 360 degrees, but on the Zhiyun gimbal cannot. The Smooth 4 is $60 more than the Mijia gimbal, and that comes with a reason. It supports a heavier weight load, the user interaction is friendlier, and the build quality is more durable than the Mijia. Besides that, the Smooth 4 supports more of camera settings where Mijia missed that. In this way, the Smooth 4 aims more or less for professionals, but that doesn't mean the Mijia is bad. The Mijia's minimalistic design, the app interface, and especially the 16-hour battery life. Also, there's awesome Hitchcock feature. I love it. I'm sure your girlfriend will love it too. So my suggestion is, if you only have $100, then definitely go to this Mijia gimbal. But if you have $30 more, then go to this Zhiyun Smooth 4. They are the perfect tools to step up your video production. That's all for today. I'm leaving all the links in the description, also with a huge coupon for this Zhiyun Smooth 4. So if you do have any questions, please just leave a comment below and I will answer within 24 hours. I'm Sammy. See you in next videos. Peace.